Good morning children, how you all? Hope you all fine ma. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 1.8 and then yesterday I sent you two videos to you. Second one is about rounding of numbers. Now I am going to start the rounding of numbers topic. Okay children, if you have any doubt regarding to doing this exercise, once go through that previous video what I sent you about the rounding numbers. Okay, now I am going to start exercise 1.9. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. Round the following numbers. Round the following numbers. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. Round the following numbers to the nearest 10. How you will round the numbers to the nearest 10 children? See that? Okay. First one 178. 178. See, now we are rounding the numbers which is at tens place. Which is at tens place. If you do like that, if you want to find like that, which is at the tens place, you have to check the numbers which is at ones place. What is the digit at ones place? 8. Underline that 8. Once check. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? Is this 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? It's more than 5. So if it is more than 5 means it always rounded up. The numbers which are rounded up next tens after 78. What will come next tens after 178? 180. 178 is an error to next 10. What is next 10? 178 after 180. See the second one children. 56. See, once while going to find the nearest 10, we have to choose the number which is at ones place. 6. 6 is more than 5 or less than 5? More than 5. So 56 is the nearer to 56 is nearer to 56 is nearer to next 10. What comes after 50? 10 50 after which tens will come? 60. See the third one children. 71. Check the ones place digit 1. Is it lesser than 5 or more than 5? It is lesser than 5. So 71 is an error to always the number which is lesser than 5, it always rounded down. Rounded down. That means before 10. So what is that? 71 before 10? 70. Okay, like that we have to do. I will continue. Fourth one. See the fourth one children. 49. 49. See this 9. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? 9 is more than 5. So it always rounded up. So 49 is an error to always rounded up. Next tends to 49. 49 after which 10 will come? 50. See the fifth one children. 25. See the ones place is 5 equal to 5. If we choose the number at ones place, if it is 5, 5 is equal to 5. That means it is the midway number. That 5 is midway number. If it is midway number, it always rounded up. So 25 is nearer to what? The next 10 will come after 25, 30. 20 after next 10, 30. See the next one children. 139. See the ones placed is 9. Yes, now 9 is more than 5 or less than 5 or it is more than 5. So 139 is an error to more number means next 10. So 39 after which comes next 10? 40. So 1240. 1240. Okay children. See the next one. Seventh one in that. 1720. 1928. 1928. So 1928. 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? It's more than 5. It always rounded up. 78 next tens. So 1978 is nearer to or nearest to. Next 10 after 78, 80. So 1980. Like that you will write. See the next one, children. Next Roman nearest. What numbers can be rounded to that? The numbers which we can write as rounded to the next numbers. See. B Roman. What numbers can be rounded? What numbers can be rounded? What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10? To the nearest 10. What numbers can be rounded to the nearest 10? How we will write the nearest tens of these numbers? Nearest 10, which numbers we can? First one, 140. This number, nearest 10, which number to which number which is nearer to 140 we will say. That is the question. See, 140 before 10, 130. Yes, na? 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. Those are all rounded to 130 only. 135 onwards. The numbers from all numbers between 135 to 140. Again, like that, 141 to 144 also rounded to 140 only. And 141 to 144. These are all numbers. The numbers from 135 to 140 and 141 to 145. These numbers all rounded to 140 or all rounded to 140. See the next one. 200s. Okay, 200 means before 10. 190. Yes, na? 195 onwards. All numbers from 195 to 200 and 201 to 204. If you write 205, it is a midway number, na? It always rounded up. It is nearer to 210. It is. So now you have to choose up to 200. You have to write up to 204. See the next one. Third one. 1000. Next number 1000. See that. All numbers from children vision. Which is the nearest 10? Before tens of thousand, 990. What is before tens of thousand? 990. Yes, na? So 990 from 995 to 1000 and 1001 to 1004. These are all rounded to 1000. These are all rounded to 1000. See the next sum, children. Fourth one, 20. All numbers from 20 before 10. Before 1, 20 before 10. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 also rounded to 10 only. Next 15 onwards. All numbers from 15 to 20 and 21 to 24. These are all the numbers rounded to 20. These are all numbers rounded to 20. Next one, round the following numbers to the nearest thousands. Round the following numbers to the nearest thousands. 0 1. Round the numbers. 0 1. Round the following numbers. Round the following numbers. Round the following numbers to the nearest. To the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. Round the following numbers to the nearest 100. First one. See the first one is that 1289. Children observe. While finding the number which is nearest to 10 means we choose the number which is at one's place. To find out the nearest 10. To find out the nearest 10, we choose the number which is at one's place. So now we are finding the nearest 100 now. You have to choose the number which is at 10's place. What is at 10's place here? 8. What is at 10's place here? 8. 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? It's more than 5. 8 is more than 5. So 1289 is the nearest to, is nearer to. Next what? 89, 2 hundreds after next 100, what you will get? 12 hundreds after next 100s. 13 hundreds. So 30 hundreds. Second one. 535. Already I told you children, we are finding the nearest 100 now. You have to choose the number which is at 10's place. What is the number at 10's place? 3. Is it more than 5 or less than 5? It is less than 5. It is less than 5. So 535 is nearer to which lesser number now? So before hundreds. 535 before which 100 will come? 500s. What you will get? 500s. See the next one children. Third one, 1229. 1229. Choose the number in tens place. What is the number? 2. 2 is lesser than 5. 2 is lesser than 5. So 1229 is nearer to lesser number now. So before 100, what comes? 1229 before what 100 will come? 1200s. 1200s. Fourth one, 1156. 1156. So tens place is 5 equal to 5. It's the midway number. 5 is the midway number. From 0 to 10, 5 is the midway number. If it is the midway number, always round it up. So 1156 is the nearest, nearer to next 100. What you will get? The 1100 after what hundreds will come? 1200s. 1100 after what hundreds will come? 1200s. Okay. See the next one. D Roman. What are the numbers between? What are the numbers we can list out from nearest hundreds? What numbers we can write? What is the numbers that can be rounded to the nearest 100? List the numbers. List the numbers that can be rounded to the nearest 100. So how we will round the numbers which are nearest 100 of that given number. See the first number what they given? 1400s. First one 1400. So what the numbers will be rounded for 1400? Right, all numbers between 1400 1300 or 1400s. The numbers between before tens, 400 before which 100 will come 300, but 300 to 349 it is rounded to 300 only. It has to round it to 1400s. So 350, 1350 to 1400. Next 1401 to 1450 means it is rounded to 1500. Now so 1449. A little bit confusion you may feel. Once again check through and Lord, once again read this one. Second one, 2500. 2500. So all numbers from 2500 means before 100. 2452. 2500 and 2501 to 2550 means it's nearer to 3000. So 2549 up to that we rounded to 2500. Children, 2 more bits are there. In the next class I will continue. Okay children, goodbye.